So another new widget set to release this summer has been perhaps the most requested, and that is timers. I think what you guys need to know about this widget is that, like scenes, you can create and modify them right on the screen. You can also allow users to see and modify your Design Center-based timers if you choose. All the timers viewed in the widget can be skipped once or even disabled until enabled again. You choose. Really what you're doing here is putting the power in the hands of the user, putting them in the driver's seat with timer creation. And with timer creation, we really built it for the homeowner, and we want them to feel comfortable and not confused. That's why it's super simple to use these, because less is more here. As you take a look at the timer views here, the top left and right graphics, on the dashboard view, what you're going to see are the next 3 upcoming timers. So it's not all of the timers in a project, it's the next 3 in chronological order that will fire. You have the ability on each of those to skip them if you so choose. You'll see the date and the time that those are going to happen. If you go into full screen view, what you're going to get is a list of all of the timers. So instead of just saying 3, you're going to see however many are visible for this particular profile. It could be just 2 available to the profile, or maybe you don't choose to show timers at all to the guest profile. Maybe it's only for the main administrator profile who's going to see this, or maybe mom gets to see the good night and the wake up timers, depending on how you set it up. One of the other benefits of this particular widget is that you'll be able to create and edit new timers if you choose. As you can see in the bottom left-hand graphic, it's very straightforward. It's like creating a timer in an app inside of your alarm clock widget in your iPhone or your Android phone apps. You say, well, I want it to be daily or weekly, monthly. You choose the time of day or sunrise and sunset, so we base it on astronomical. There's offsets for sunrise and sunset. Basically, we've taken the capabilities of timers from inside a Design Center and replicated them on the UI. You can even set up, as you can see in that graphic, perhaps it's a little small, but the bottom option, you can set up a range for this timer to happen in. So it can only happen between the summer months or the winter months or only during the month of July, etc. So a lot of flexibility with the timer widget. We're excited about this one. I think this one is going to be a real winner. We've had a lot of people request it, as I mentioned. And as I've said, nobody does this like us, guys. And that's a real advantage, a real competitive advantage for you. Nobody gives you 12 automatically built widgets on a consistent set of UIs from in-wall to apps, consistent aesthetics, and then live creation and editing of timers, live creation and editing of scenes. What about live on-screen editability of widgets for showing and hiding loads, showing and hiding different areas, showing and hiding different zones and sources? And then with the shades upcoming, showing and hiding different shades per profile, all based on a profile that is based on a user like dad or mom or guest or cleanup or maintenance, or profiles based on each room. Even profiles, I've seen really successful projects with profiles based on time of day. And I've seen very successful profiles used with modes, like I'm in day mode, I'm in night mode, or party mode, or maybe I'm in away mode, vacation mode, guest mode. A lot of different capabilities, and you can mix and match these profiles across all of your devices, 4.1s, 7.3s, and apps, and they can share the different profiles. Really, really powerful.